Hi, I'm Beckie Belote. I'm an advisor in Newport News, Virginia, and I'm going to share with you today something really cool about recipe templates. We have a brand new one releasing, and it's called Sunshine. So when you look at this one, you're probably going to see a sunshine. But if that's all you see, you've totally missed the point about recipe templates. They have all of these different patterns so that you can make literally hundreds of ideas with one template. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So be looking for shapes other than a sunshine. For instance, I see an octagon right here. So to do this octagon, I traced the outside of the line for the yellow mat and the inside of the line for the red. And I got this octagon. Now, do I have to put it right here? I can put it anywhere. All right. I also saw another really cool thing. I saw this. And again, look at this here. Look at it with this. We could do different looks with this. All right. I also saw these little diamond shapes. So I drew the diamonds, and you're probably thinking, oh gosh, she spent forever tracing and cut that. But no, not really. This actually probably goes here. I actually traced one. I folded the paper so that I could cut 4 at a time. And I got the 4 diamond looking shapes. And then I traced these little ones on scrap paper. Same thing. I folded them, traced them, got this excellent look. And again, you don't have to lay them where that said. Once you have them cut, you can put them anywhere you want. How cool would this be as a border? Let's put it over here. All right. Again, I could throw this back down with it to get a whole different look. All right. So another thing I wanted to show you is how well our tools work with these. Like, these are just circles, right? So yes, I could trace and cut them, but why? Look at how nice they work with our tools. Throw that down with the blue blade, and you've got this outer circle here. Throw the smaller one down with the red blade or the green, and you'll get the one in the middle. And when I look at this pattern, I see lemon slices, lime slices, watermelon. Or this, which is what you see, without. But if I cut that down the middle, we've got watermelon, right? Another thing that's really nice is if you work with our oversized mat, you can also measure shape. So I see all kinds of squares. I see small squares. I see big squares. Of course, I'm going to use my straight trimmer to cut those. I'm not going to trace and cut those, but I need to know how big they are. So use your mat. Go ahead and zero it out on the corner. And now I can see that this is just shy of 3 inches square, and that this one is 5.5 inches square. So you can quickly use this to make perfect squares that are going to fit great on your paper with some margins. So for instance, take a look at this. How nice that looks. I could add this back in or not. I could add a second color in or not. All right, lots of possibilities, like I said. All right. And then I did one more. Another thing that was hard for me to see at first was these big triangles. This page spread would be quite tricky without the use of this cool template. But how pretty is that? So let's throw some photos on there so that you know that this is not just for being pretty, that this is very functional and fast to get great looks. So this is a graduation announcement, and I am plopping that down with 2 really fun candid pictures of my daughter at her school. And is that beautiful? So I hope that I have motivated you to try these recipe templates. They're genius. So think out of the box and make some really cool ideas. Thanks now. Bye.